Hello YouTube, thought today we'd do a video on plugs, and I may have done a video on plugs, but I'm going to try going more in depth today to try to help explain what different types of plugs are out there when it comes to audio plugs. As you know, your handheld is going to use different plugs, so you got to be kind of mindful of that when you want to go and order and hook things up. So we're going to show you different types of plugs. Now let's go with this one. This is a 3.5 millimeter stereo plug. It's got two black rings, stereo. Okay. This is a 3.5, same type of plug that I just showed you, but this is a mono plug. It only has one black ring. Remember, your handhelds are mono, only has one speaker. Now you can buy adapters, like for an example, this adapter, which is a 3.5 millimeter, converts a stereo 3.5 to a mono 3.5. Okay? Or if you need the smaller plug, which is going to be the 2.5 millimeter, that is going to be this type of plug. This is the smaller version. This is the 3.5 mono plug, one black ring. If you compare them, you can kind of see the difference in diameter. This right here on this side is a 3.5 millimeter mono plug. This is a 2.5 millimeter mono plug. So they do sell adapters where you can convert a stereo 3.5 millimeter plug to a mono 2.5 millimeter plug. They make adapters for that. But like I said, be careful, because sometimes these adapters won't fit. They get pretty big, so you got to make sure you can fit it in your radio, especially if you have cables this close. Sometimes the adapters won't let you do that. So but I'll post some links down below on some of these plugs. Just double check what you need for your radio or whatever you want to hook up. Like in this case here, I bought, you probably saw it in some of my videos, I bought a cable that converts 3.5 millimeter mono to a 2.5 millimeter mono. This cable, it's long. I couldn't find a short one, so that's kind of the bad news. But this is the type of cable I use when I hook up on my radio. The 2.5 millimeter end goes to the radio, and the 3.5 millimeter end, the big end, goes to the computer, and the small end goes to my radio, and the radio that I have. 2.5 small end, 3.5 big end, mono plugs. So I've had times where I had a piece of equipment and I was trying to plug in audio cables, and I plugged the cables in and it didn't work. And the reason being is because what I was plugging in was a stereo plug, so it had two black rings, while the jack inside the unit did not know, so it would not work. The jack inside the unit was not wired for this type of plug. As soon as I got a mono 3.5 plug, the unit worked fine. It worked perfect. So if you have audio problems, make sure you check the plugs. Do you need a stereo plug or do you need a mono plug? Now, with today's technology, the new type of plug that a lot of things are using, as you may know, or maybe you haven't even looked, like if you plug in your headphones into your iPhone or your Android phone, and if your headphones got a microphone in it, it's going to use a different type of plug, which is going to be the 3 black rings because one's microphone, speaker and ground. So most plugs, most headsets you buy at the store are this type, and this type will not work in stereos that require a mono plug. It will not work because the contacts inside that jack touch the wrong areas and it just doesn't work. So check that. Make sure that the device you need is it a one jack plug, meaning does it do microphone and speaker like some laptops do? Then you would need this type of plug. Okay, like your phones only have one plug. That's going to be the three. I call it the 3-ring plug is what I call it, because it's got 3 black rings. So that's what I call them. I call 3-ring, 2-ring, and 1-ring. 2-ring is stereo, 1-ring is mono, 3-ring is mic and headphones. That's how I define them. I don't know if that's the correct way of doing it, but that's how I do it. So I hope this video is a little bit helpful for you. And like I said, I'll post some links, but make sure you check on what you need. Don't buy the plugs that I'm posting unless you need them. Make sure that they're the right ends. And if you're not sure, look up your radio on the manufacturer's website in the specs. It should tell you what type of plugs you need, whether it's a 2.5, a small plug, or a 3.5, a big plug. So look up that, or whatever you're trying to hook up, whatever it may be. This is kind of the condensed version. Obviously there's a lot more other plugs out there, but this is the kind of what we need to know for what we're doing with the radio equipment we're working with. So at any rate, I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below, and please subscribe. Thank you.